So in this video, I'm going to show you easiest way you can make millions of coins in FIFA Mobile 23. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. We got a lot of ways to make coins right now. Obviously, the market is quite high. A lot of cards have gone up in price a lot. High overall cards, especially like 112s, 113s. There are so much coins. So you need to have a lot of coins to make a very good squad. You can obviously use untradeable cards as well, but if you want to buy high overall cards, they're worth a lot of coins, as you can see right there. 112s, 111s, 113s, all of them are very expensive. 112 overall team of the seasons, as you can see, Guara is 260 million coins right now. Marquinhos is 240, Messi is 400 mil, Mbappe is almost 400 mil, and all the cards are very expensive, as you can see. So as I said, you need a lot of coins to go ahead and buy those cards. I got 1.3 billion coins right now just because I sold some of my players. But yeah, first of all, from the Hall of Legend chapter, you can make very easy coins here. First of all, obviously you need to go ahead and play these every single day. And you can get legend points, and with legend points you can go on and complete Cafu. But we also got the quest for Hall of Legend chapter, and in this quest, this is the way you can make some coins. Every single day when you complete all of the quests, you're gonna get 500,000 coins right there and 800,000 coins right there. So weekly you're basically gonna get 7 times 800,000. That's like 5.6 million. Basically you're gonna get 5.6 million coins every single week with that. And plus that, you can also get 1 million extra every day if you get it from the daily one, or you might pack 200 gems, whichever one, but you got a chance to pack 1 million coins. As well as that, you are also gonna get 2 million coins when you complete all of the quests 5 days out of 7 days. Anyways, you're also gonna get 2 million coins, as well as some more legend pass credits and 108 to 113 overall player, which is gonna be untradeable, unfortunately, but you're still gonna get some more coins that way. So here we go, 2 million coins extra right there. And we're gonna open this pack as well, 108 plus overall. Let's see who we're gonna pack. Hopefully a 113 overall. He's Spanish. He's a Latvian. That's what he was about, isn't it? That's 110 overall. The card that everybody can get for free. But I guess I'll take a 110 overall, free 110 overall card. I'm not too mad at that. Obviously, that's one of the ways you can get a lot of coins. 5.6 mil every single week, plus weekly one where you're gonna get 2 million extra. So that's basically 7.6 mil. And obviously, as I said, you got a chance to get some more coins from whenever you complete daily quests for that as well. As well as that, as I said, you're gonna get Hall of Legend passes, Hall of Legend credit, and here you're gonna get some more rewards. We got 200k there, 200k there, as well as we got a player pack 105 to 111 overall. You're gonna get some gems, you're gonna get some more coins, 2 million coins right there. And if you buy the star pass, if you do, you're gonna get even more coins, 15 million coins at the start right there. And as you go on, you're gonna get a lot more million coins right there. I'm gonna go and open that pack as well, 105 to 111 overall. And it looks like we didn't get anything that great. And 109 overall, actually the highest overall I could have packed. Dimitri Payet, untradeable once again, unfortunately. No, it's not highest overall. I could have packed 111 overall, but I'll take a 109 overall from that as well. Yeah, that's definitely not bad. Another way you can make coins is obviously in the challenge mode. Now, I know it costs 1 million coins for you to enter the challenge mode. You might not want to do it just because of that, but you're gonna get 3 million coins back. I don't know why they made it 1 mil, but if you go on an entry, all you need to do to go through this and win every single match is you need to lower your team. Whenever you go on and lower your team, you're gonna be playing against worse opponents, because the matchmaking for challenge mode is 100% on your rating. So when you, for example, I've got 131 overall rating right there, as you can see. If I make my team 115 overall, for example, I'm gonna play another player who has got similar rating as me, and it's obviously gonna be a worse team. And yeah, the way you can make your team worse is obviously just switching your players around just like that. And here we go, it's already 123, 122, and just like that, your team is gonna become worse. It's already 118 right there, as you can see. So basically that's the way. And you can change your goalkeeper, for example. You can put in somebody like Dudek that I can there, and the team is, let's see what the overall team is right now. Team is 116 overall, and you can obviously put low overall players on the bench as well, and the team is gonna become even worse, even lower overall. 72 overall, for example. Okay, 60 overall player, I'll go right there, and he's gonna make my team go down even more. 111 overall now, and you can go ahead and get into the team like that. You in game you can switch your players back around just like that, and you're basically gonna be playing against worse opponent, and you're gonna get extra 2 million coins every single time you complete that challenge mode as well. So that's definitely not bad. We also got UCL quests right now. Of course, you can go in and complete UCL quests every single day to get even more coins. As you can see, no every day obviously. When you go and complete that, you're gonna get even more coins, as well as best 11 credits for UCL. And when you complete those, when you go and get those credits, you're gonna get some more coins. In the past, 200,000 coins, 2 million coins right there. As you can see, if you buy the star pass, you're also gonna get extra 15 million coins right there. But that's basically it. Also, we've got the coin exchanges, of course. In the coin exchanges, now you can also use flashback players that we couldn't choose before. So if you want to use flashback players, you can do that. You can also use that 110 overall player that you don't need. For example, I don't need our usable card right now, as you can see. So I'm gonna go and put him in. Maybe I'm gonna get lucky and I'm gonna get 22 mil. No, just 5 mil, unfortunately. But I still made extra 5 million coins right there. You've got a chance to make a lot more though. But yeah, unfortunately, I did not manage to do that. Or maybe you're, oh, what? I'm not sure why I just did that. I could have just got 11 to 22 mil instead of 5 to 20. Yeah, that was my bad. Oh, that one is for tradable only. All right then, that one is for tradable only. This one is for untradeable as well. So yeah, that's basically how you can make coins with that. If you got some tradable players that you want to put in there, you can go on and do that and make some coins as well. If you can't sell all these players, of course. For example, I'm gonna put in a 102 overall Buchanan, got 260k only, but still, if you can't sell those players, putting them in these exchanges is not a bad idea. Also, I'm gonna put in, for example, Cucurella or Stones, because he's untradeable for me. I'm gonna get at least 800,000 coins, which I did. Most of the times you're gonna get the lowest amount of coins, but you still got a chance to get those max amounts, of course, if you are quite lucky. Also, how you can make a lot of coins as well is by this exchange right there. Obviously, to go out and complete this exchange, you need 500 legend points, as well as you need a 114 overall ultimate team of the season player that is tradable. That's a very hard one. That you need an ultimate team on this player that's tradable. Obviously, every single player has got a 114 overall untradable card. Doesn't matter if you got it from the glitch or you got it afterwards as a compensation. You still got a 114 overall player for free, and we could all go ahead and complete this exchange. But unfortunately, you can't right now. But if you do have a lot of coins, you can buy a 114 overall tradable ultimate team on this player, and you can go ahead and complete this exchange and get a 115 overall card that you can sell for a lot more than that 114 overall ultimate team of the season. For example, let's go ahead and check how much those ultimate team of the season cards are worth right now. We're gonna go ahead and choose team of the season, and you can get ultimate team of the season players in my market anyways for about 1.5 billion coins. It might be different for you, but in my market they're about 1.5 billion coins. As you can see, for Frimpong 1.6 bill for Frimpong, Griezmann is there for 1.6 as well, and Kunku is there for 1.6. Basically, you can get I can get these cards for 1.6 billion coins. And when I open that pack, 115 overall pack, I'm gonna get a 115 overall icon that is every single one of them is more expensive than that card, than any ultimate team the same card that I need to put in this exchange. So I can go and sell them for about 2 billion coins, most of them. Whole Aid is 2 billion coins as well, and the worst one I can get is like 1.9 bill. So definitely you're not gonna lose any coins with that. You got a chance to make coins, quite a bit of coins. The worst one is Hernandez, as you can see, who is worth 1.8 billion coins, but you're still gonna make profit with that. You're still gonna make profit. There is no way you're gonna lose 100%. You're gonna make at least 100 million coins, but if you get lucky, you can also make like 500 mil and stuff like that. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video for today. Also, don't forget obviously to open the pack, open the free pack, UCL Best 11 pack, where you got a chance to pack up to 114 overall player. Maybe you're gonna get lucky and get any of them, but probably not. Anyways, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.